Hey, welcome back, guys. Today we are talking about how to use Google Maps to find ATMs. Why would you want to know how to use Google Maps to find ATMs? Well, maybe it is your first time using Google Maps and not sure how to use Google Maps to find ATMs. So today I am going to show you how to use Google Maps to find ATMs. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Finding ATMs on Google Map is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for Android and iOS devices. First of all, open Google Maps app. You are seeing multiple locations and not being able to find an ATM properly. No need to worry. You are seeing different options under profile icon. Slide to left side. Now you are seeing more options. Click on it. Now you are seeing different buttons at the top. Click on services. Here you are seeing ATMs. Click on it. Now you will only see ATMs in the location. So there you go. If you were wondering how to use Google Map to find ATMs, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.